Pupil exam and swinging flashlight test. The pupil exam should include an assessment of pupil symmetry, size, shape, reactivity to light, accommodation, and direct and consensual response. For this test, we only need a pen light.
Good afternoon, I am Dr. Pupil and we will now proceed with the pupil exam. Let me just dim the light first.
The test is done in a dark room to facilitate dilation of the pupils. Prior to starting, ask the patient to look into the distance. Focus on a far object to prevent normal eye convergence, accommodation, and associated pupil constriction. To start the test, illuminate both eyes with oblique lighting to check for pupil size, symmetry, and shape. Anisocoria is the difference in pupillary size and is significant if it is greater than 1 mm diameter. The response is recorded as equally or unequally reactive, rapid, or sluggish.
As we can see, the response of the pupils are equally active on both eyes.
Next, check for the pupillary reflex, which tests the optic nerve, the afferent limb, and the oculomotor nerve, the efferent limb. For direct light reflex, observe for pupillary constriction in the eye that the light is shined into.
There is normal constriction in the illumined pupil.
Then take note of the consensual response of the opposite pupil constricting simultaneously with the tested pupil. After that, repeat the steps for the other eye.
There is normal simultaneous constriction of the opposite non-illumined pupil.
We will now proceed with the swinging light test. This test checks for afferent pupillary defect or Marcus gun pupil, which manifests as consistent dilation as light is shined on it instead of constriction. This signifies optic nerve damage. To perform the swinging flashlight test, shine light directly into the right eye for less than 5 seconds and check for pupillary response. Then, swing the light quickly over the bridge of the nose up to the left eye and check for its pupillary response. Swing the light back to the right eye. Swing the light back and forth, at least 5 times. Observe if one of the pupils consistently dilate instead of constricting as the light shines on it. The test is positive if there is a weaker direct response than consensual response.
There is no relative afferent pupillary defect in the patient since there are equal reactions to the stimulation of each eye.
That's the end of our presentation. Thank you for watching.